Cold start. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Robert. You're watching To The Limits. Yeah, after the underpass, right? 2020 Subaru BRZ, man, my baby girl. She look good. She look damn good. Damn. But anyway, she about to touch 15,000 miles, man. So give you guys an update on the car, what she been doing, what I don't like, maybe a couple of things, right? 2020 Subaru BRZ Limited with the performance package, so you get the lightweight wheels, the Brembo brakes, and a little bit of tweak suspension. I mean, I've been loving this car. I've had it for what, a year and a half. September 30th will be 2 years, and I've been enjoying every minute of it. Still look good as new. I mean, 15,000 ain't really a lot, but we haven't really done much to it. Only lowered it on some TN, twine. I don't know how twine came about, but TN springs, yeah, TN lowering springs. Put some spacers on it, and we did a little side markers, made it look good, you know? She's looking damn good. I mean, I keep on saying it, but it's true. We're gonna go and get them POVs in a little bit, because I know you guys love them POV drives. But just a little walk around her just to show you the exterior a little bit. As I said, 15,000 miles, she hasn't had any issues. I mean, I did do a full custom piping work on her. I did catback exhaust, overpipe, front pipe, and the intake, but I didn't really like how it sounded. It really sounded too damn loud. But yeah, it sounded way too loud, way too rice. It sounded like a old Honda with a straight pipe. I didn't like that, so I took them things off, and that's what caused the exhaust leak. After we took off by the pipe, we must have not tightened the screw too good, so it started a little leak. Anyways, yeah, as I said, we did do some custom exhaust work to it. The overpipe, the front pipe, the catback, but as I said, it was just too loud, so I didn't like the tone. It just sounded rice, too loud, so we took it off. If you want to see a video with us lowering the car, I really got that video, I just never posted it. Got the video of the exhaust too, never posted that. If you want to see, let me know, I'll post it. But yeah, manual 2020 BRZ, I'm gonna show you under the hood because it looks damn good. If you got the manual for 2017 or above, you get the little red manifold shit, and it looks hella nice. But yeah, as I said, manual, so you get the red on the intake manifold. It looks damn good, and I feel like manual is the way to go with one of these cars, man. I mean, automatic is cool, but I don't think it would be as fun as the manual on these. I never driven an automatic BRZ. That's a lie. I drove an automatic FRS one time before I bought this car. Couldn't even afford it back then. Damn, we came far, we came far. Anyways, I've been loving this thing, man. The only things I really dislike about it is two. It doesn't have a CD player. No little CD you can put in. It doesn't have that. Like, why not? I mean, I'm Jamaican, so I got a few CDs, you know what I'm saying? I got that little Stone Love and that little Alkaline, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it would be nice to have a CD player. I'm not gonna put no aftermarket stereo in it because everything else, it sounds good for what it is. What's that? What was that? Like Subaru? Come on, bro. Come on. But yeah, other than that, I really can't think of another thing I really dislike. The only other thing is what I cause. I put these Federal 595 tires on it. It grips hella good. Even in the rain, it won't step out unless you force it. So it grips hella good, but they make so much damn road noise. It's like, is it worth it? Kinda, yeah. A little bit, yeah. But yeah, I've been loving this thing, man. You guys seem to enjoy the BRZ. So we're gonna put the camera on my head. We're gonna go for a drive. See how this thing performs. Well, I know how it performs. You guys gonna see her perform. I already got brake dust on it. Damn. Yo, one thing about these Brembos though, they give you a lot of freaking brake dust. The kingdom, boo, you already rich, so you know my time now. Let's get this shit started. You know, once you come in the BRZ, hit the start button real quick, you hold on the traction, turn that shit completely off, shake, make sure you're neutral, you know what I'm saying, and ready for the road. Hey man, as of late I've been driving kinda like normal, or I'd go up to like 60 and just start cruise control, shit like that, and I've been getting 14.4 miles to the gallon, which when I just got the car I used to get like 11. So you know, I've been taking time. And the sound system ain't too bad either. I have a lot of people ask me if I'm gonna upgrade it, but nah. It ain't too bad. I feel like it's good enough, to be honest. Hey, who excited for the new 2022 BRZ to come out? I am. I want to see what they do with it, what it can do. But yeah, I don't know if you're gonna hear the tires. You remember I was saying the tires make a lot of noise, these Federal 595s. I mean, they are race car tires, so what you expect. Hi, what's up, boo? But yeah, after the lowering springs, the car feels hella nice. It got a little bit like, let's say softer, like a touch softer. Yeah, it basically hides the speed now. You might be doing 75 and it feels like you're doing 40 now. So maybe that's terribly entertaining. If I get a ticket in this car, I'm gonna send it to you guys, man. You know what I'm saying? Ways on. You see, the car got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all of that nice shit, but it doesn't have a CD player. Like, yo, it needs a little hole to push that shit in. Like, come on, you know what I'm saying? Like, please put it right here. Like, but I do like these though. My AC always on 69, so I don't know why. But we gonna find some roads. I mean, we do live in Florida, so that's basically impossible to find some nice roads. But I do have 2 turns up here that I'm gonna go through. It's literally 2 turns, you know what I'm saying? But you can really, you feel the car going through it, like it feels hella nice. You feel the G-force, like shit. Sometimes I be going around corner like double what I should, and you feel when it push you in your side, you're like, But I mean, it's a car you can just chill in with your girl, trust me, you know, I know. Brought a few girls in here, you know what I'm saying? Just a cop coming up behind me. I mean, can't be, I wasn't doing shit. And it's just simple to drive. I mean, I love this car, man. I keep on saying it. I've driven some fast things, bro. And I come back every time to this car, and I fucking love it, dude. It's just amazing, dog. What the car is meant for, it's not meant for straight line speed. And compared to every car right here, it's still got amazing straight line speed. Like, shit. Maybe except for that Range Rover Discovery. That shit probably got double the horsepower it is. But yeah, if you floor it in traffic, it's more than peppy enough to walk everybody else on the road. Ooh, a scat pack. Modifications, guys, I mean, as of right now, ain't really planning nothing yet. I mean, I do want to put the Rocket Bunny kit on it. Maybe ADV1s or Vorsteiner. Get some coilovers at that point and just make it nice. Because I still want to track it. That's the goal for this year. To track it. But at that point, I'm going to have to put some power because she's going to look too good to be slow at that point, right? But if I want a faster car, like, shit, don't modify, just go out and buy it. I love my warranty. And you know the thing, this car talks to you. It's like, it's telling you everything that's going on. Before it steps out, it's like, yo, I'm about to step out, okay? It's going under. I mean, you don't really get it understeering. You really gotta be doing some dumb shit for it to really understeer. And it's the dig king. Like, other than my boy Matt with the SRT Durango, I've never seen a rear wheel drive car launch like this. Like, none. Went over them bumps hard, yeah? Nah, there's a truck going on our two corners, bro. It's literally two corners. Like, can't follow a truck through our two corners, bro. Fuck. Wait it out a little bit. We can do another launch because I revved up too much right here. Spun a little bit. That's our basically two corners we have down here in Florida, man. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment, tell me what you want to see. I'm gonna go listen to my Vibes Cartel. But yeah, that's the BRZ. I feel like it's a mini Corvette. I feel like the next step after a BRZ should be a Corvette or a Porsche or a Gallardo is what I really want, but you know what I'm saying? Them bitches went back up in value though. But yeah, enjoy your day, your night, anywhere you are, whatever time zone. Bye bye. So you feel like you